up, doll collectors and gift givers and fans of miniatures? Here is another Etsy shop review. Today we are taking a look at the Butterfly Family Etsy shop. It shipped from Poland, so it took a minute to get here. And given the current climate, I don't go to my P.O. box quite as often as I used to, so some of that is probably on me. I am really excited for this because it's furniture. We've got lots of packing in here. They wanted to make sure it arrived safely. I think this is one of the items I ordered. Yay! Bubble wrap. Yeah! I'm so excited. But everything is white. My background's white. The furniture's white. Might need to change the background so you can actually see some of this. Wait a minute. You can totally see that. That is awesome. But I'm going to change the background anyway. Here we have 2 nightstands for 1/6 scale 12-inch dolls. It was $12.27 for the pair in US dollars, but keep in mind, prices may change. They are made of wood, painted white with gold detail on the handles. It opens. It does! Look at that! There is storage inside. We have a shelf, so it gives us 2 areas to store fun things. On the very bottom, there's a wooden plaque that says Butterfly Family on both pieces. They feel pretty sturdy. The door stays in place. You don't have to worry about it swinging open when you don't want it to. Yeah, it's a pretty snug fit. There's a floral design on the front, which adds a lot of texture and some fun detail. Overall, I think this is a pretty nice piece. Now that we have nightstands, we kind of need a bed. For $42.93, I bought a matching double bed. It comes with some bedding and a foam mattress that is covered in white fabric. This bed is pretty large. It's a little less than 13.5 inches long and a hair wider than 9 inches. On Etsy, this bed is named Jessica. You can totally see that floral print from the nightstand on the headboard and the footboard. Very intricate, very detailed, which is going to look great in doll photos. Let's take a look at the bedding. It comes with a comforter. It has a print on one side, solid on the other. It's about 10.5 inches long and 8 inches wide. There are 2 matching standard pillows and 2 smaller decorative pillows. The comforter sits right on top of the mattress. Place the large pillows next to the headboard and the smaller pillows in front. I'm going to turn the decorative pillows around just so everything pops. The comforter is plush and the pillows are lightly stuffed. Is the pink clashing with my orange walls? But this is an Etsy review, and in our Etsy reviews, orange is the color, so we have to deal. I could just turn it all over, and now it's white. Sorry, I have a thing for white bedding. But all together, the furniture is a really cute set. And it's wood. There are more pieces that will match this. Here is the white chest of drawers, 3 segments, 1/6 scale. We have the floral decoration on the sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers down the center. They actually open. Look at that. I think they all do. They do. They all open. And these open as well. Lots of real storage for the dollhouse. It is 3¼ inches wide and about 7.5 inches long. This is really cute and functional. With all these pieces, we can easily set up a fantastic looking doll room, if I do say so myself. But wait, there's more. Here is the white wardrobe, currently priced at $30.67. We have the floral print on the front to match. It has little feet at the bottom, gold brushed handles. Let's open it, because all this stuff is functional. There is a large shelf on top. Underneath, there is a pole for the hangers, a large open space, and 2 shelves on one side. It stands 12 3/4 inches tall. Here is Mini Toya for a little size comparison. That's a really good height for the doll. Here's Integrity Toys dolls. They're taller than Barbie, but I think it works for both. Wow, I'm gonna need a pretty large doll room for all of these pieces. But I'm loving it. Did I mention they're real wood? And we have one more piece. This is the white chest of drawers, one segment, priced at $17.17. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers with brushed gold handles. And yes, they open. This is really cool that all of the drawers open. So everything is completely functional. Sorry, I am not being graceful at this at all. Giant human hands. There we go. We can have a lot of fun telling stories with these pieces. These drawers look like the drawers in the center of this piece, so you can totally put them in the same room and be all matchy-matchy. Now I just have to figure out furniture placement. Maybe, if this was a real room, we would have a wall right here and we can put it right there. All of these pieces are a really good size in relation to the doll. We're just gonna need a slightly larger doll room. Overall, I am very happy with this purchase. We have beautiful handmade doll furniture that is made out of real wood. Yeah! Everything is functional. All the drawers open, all the doors open. The bed has a comfy foam mattress. The pricing wasn't that bad for what you get. I've bought plastic doll closets for $29.99, so a wood one for $30? I'm all for it. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Butterfly Family Etsy shop. If there are any Etsy shops you would like for us to check out, let us know in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!